customize buttons, input fields, and menu themes, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the side menu and click on Settings. Click on the Theme tab. You can customize your experience by choosing the style of buttons, input fields, and menus, tailoring each element to suit your preferences. Within this selection, you'll have options such as large corner radius, small corner radius, and no corner radius. Personalizing the button style will extend that customization across all the buttons within your user experience. The chosen style in the input field will be mirrored throughout your entire experience, while the menu style will specifically tailor the appearance of the side menu. For the button style, I'll opt for a slightly bolder look by choosing a no corner radius and then save the changes. Let me demonstrate how this would affect your experience. Upon expanding your drawer, you'll notice that all your buttons, including the social media option, now feature a cornerless design. Clicking on the top module reveals that the registration module also displays buttons with no corner radius. Now let's go back to themes. I will change button style to large corner radius, and in input field style I will select a no corner radius and save. As per provided input, all buttons will showcase a large corner radius, while input fields will be entirely without corners. In the experience, observe that the buttons have large radiuses and the input field has no radius at all. This is how it would reflect across modules. Now let's go back to styles and make input field large corner radius and make menu style as square and save. In your current experience, buttons feature a large corner radius, the input field adopts a similar large corner radius, and the menu maintains a completely cornerless design.